Hello and welcome. Today, we'll show you how to easily transfer photos, videos, and music from your iPhone to your computer using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Let's dive in. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded and installed Mobikin Assistant for iOS. You can find the download link on the official website, and I'll also provide it in the description box. Open Mobikin Assistant for iOS and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Ensure that you have authorized the computer to access your iPhone. This is the main interface of Mobikin Assistant for iOS, where you can see various file types on your iPhone. Now, let's see how to transfer files. Click on the Music tab, and you will see all the music on your iPhone. Select the music you want to transfer. Then click the Export button, choose the destination folder where you want to save the music, and click OK. The same steps apply to video and photos files. Just click on the Video or Photo tab, select the files you want to transfer, and click Export. Simple, right? Using Mobikin Assistant for iOS, you can not only easily transfer photos, videos, and music, but also manage your contacts, messages, and other files. It's truly a powerful tool.